Okay, I'm going to try to do a one-handed walkthrough. I don't have anything to hold my phone while I record this. So this is a walkthrough of the 2024 School Counselor Planner in the cream design. And it starts off with a dry erase board for every day of the year. You can use this for your daily planning. Or you can just use it for daily notes, but it's dry erase or wet erase, depending on what kind of markers you have. One comes off with just paper or paper towel, and the other one, the wet erase, comes off with water and paper towel. So here's the pocket this year. All of the planners have this same exact pocket with the resilience and the circles of control on the back. The only difference this year is the covers and dashboards on the front and back. So it starts out with your mission statement and your name and school. Then you can go into your counseling goals. Then it goes to a yearly curriculum plan and another yearly for birthdays or events or monthly counseling lessons. Then you have a resilience habit tracker that you can do all year. And then you have a monthly notes and checklist section right before each month, which has a tab. And then this area is for you to put Post-it notes or stickers or anything like that. And then you have your 2-page spread. Okay, and so each spread is going to have a different quote at the top, a motivational quote, and then checklists, and then an area for you to put the monthly theme or awareness or hot topics of the month. And then for every day of the year, you have your 15-minute intervals for every week. And they are numbered, so easy to find your day of the week. Okay, and then flipping over to the next month. Every month has, there we go, try that again. Every month has a monthly reflection journal, so you can look back. And it also has, every month has a monthly notes or checklist section. And the area for your Post-it notes. And then it just keeps going all the way to the last month of July. And after the last month, go through all the weeks, starts some flexible, I call them flex forms, because you can use them as checklists for student check-ins, for contacts, for passwords, whatever you want to use them for. And I can give you some more ideas for how to use these, but there are several pages. I was getting feedback that not everyone needs this many of this form or that many of that form, and some people want more, so this gives you a little more flexibility. And this is the second flex form. It's set up for small groups mainly, or passwords, so you can use those whichever way you want. All right, and then at the end, you have your dry erase note section once again. And that does it for this one. You also get a binder kit this year that matches your planner. So if you got the creamy planner, and you can print out an entire binder kit with forms that match, with pages in the middle, page dividers that match, and some other dashboards, bookmarks and things like that. But you do get a bookmark. Every planner comes with this bookmark this year. So don't forget to print out your binder, and you're going to get a sheet of paper like this with the QR code on it for that. So that does it for the cream planner. The others look the same, only a different cover, and the covers are heavy laminate again this year, and they are UV protected so that they will look just like this all the way through the year and for a long time after that as well.